Hi, I'm Erich. Do you have confidence in yourself? I have a short story about Lily who doesn't trust herself. The title of the story is Be Confident. Once there was a young girl named Lily. She loved to dance, but she was always nervous about performing in front of others. One day, her best friend Max encouraged her to have confidence in herself. Max told Lily a story about a little bird who was afraid to fly. With mother's support and words of encouragement, the bird found the confidence to spread its wings and soar through the sky. Inspired by the story, Lily decided to face her fears and perform in dance recital. She practiced hard and believed in herself. When the day of recital arrived, Lily danced with confidence, impressing everyone with her talent. From that day on, Lily embraced her confidence and continued to pursue her passion for dance. Moral lesson of the story: have confidence in yourself and believe that you can achieve anything you set your mind to, just like Lily. Thank you for listening.